In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the latest version of Photoroom AI video editor app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now to get the latest version of Photoroom image editing app, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and look for the latest version in Google Play Store if you are on Android and App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store here, and then search for the app. You can see we have here Photoroom AI photo editor. I'll tap on it. As you can see, we have an update that is available, and to get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update. Now this will go ahead and update your app and also fix any bugs or any issues related to your app. By updating your app, you'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with Photoroom AI photo editor. Now once this is done, a new version of your app will be installed on your smartphone, and from here you can now open to start using the latest version of Photoroom app. So that's how you can get the latest version of Photoroom app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.